Hey old fellas, how I'm going? Just make a quick video, let you know the progress I'm going on my car stealth camping stuff. What I'm doing, stuff what I'm doing to my car to be away. So we're going on holiday in a few weeks' time, June, mid-June. So it's not long. We're going away, me and the family. And when I get back, that's when I start my going off grid in my car, sleeping in my car a few nights. So I've got to get my car prepared for when I go. So just show you what I've done at the moment. There's a few things I've still got to buy. You know, like a mattress for my back of my car. But anyway, let's take a look. I'll flick it around because it'll probably be a little bit easier to show you guys. So what I've done is I've bought all this thing here, this firmer wrap it's called. And as you can see, I know what you're saying. That's on the inside though, yeah. But on the out, I've also I'll show you this bit here what I've been doing. So basically, let's get in the sunshine, see a bit better. That's one of the side bits what I've already cut out. If you see, I've bought this black sort of plastic cardboard. I've put that on one side, so when I'm at night, I can do the blackout against the windows, and during the day, it's got the silver firmer wrap on it, so that'll keep it cool, hopefully reflect any sunshine in the day. And obviously they're fully reversible, how I've made them. I've just stuck it on without this adhesive. So yeah, you've got this black, but I'm doing that all around the windows. So as you see, I've done the black back one at the moment. Like I say, it's blacked out at the moment. I can easily swap them round, fitted to swap round, so in the sunshine like today, otherwise, but I've not done it at the moment. I can just swap them around and it should keep it nice and cool. And inside the car, as you see, I've done the back windows and these two little side pods here. I've just got to do the front windows, cut them out, and the front passenger and the actual front window. I've also got, as you can see, a little, so it's not really important that I do the front ones, but I'm going to do them anyway. But I've got like a little curtain which I'll just stick up with a you know, something like a stick or something like that, or something to hold it up, and that will create a curtain for this back way. So you like I say, I've got a power unit, so my electricity, you know, things like topping up my phone, my cameras, and etc. Should be okay with that. So yeah, I bought an EcoFlow power unit. I'm going to be sorted with power for a few days to charge up my items. So all I've got to do is buy a mattress. I was actually going to build, let me flick this around so I can chat to you guys. I was actually going to build a little bed frame and put the mattress on top and like hopefully but I'm thinking, well, I'm only going for 2 nights, 3 nights. I'm not living in it, so you know, I'm just keeping it simple. I mean, I could make it a lot better, but I'm just keeping it as simple as possible, really. So less you do, less you've got to put away, really, isn't it? So I think I've just a nice good thick mattress to go along this back bit should suit me fine. I've also I've got these little, let me get around the front. I'll get around the front, it's a lot easier. Shut this up, shut this door up. I can't get through. Hang on one moment, I'll just get around the front of the car. Can I get this way? No. I'll just go around the front way. Tight fit there, I'm not that thin no more. So as you see, I bought these little like wind deflectors, so I can keep the whilst I'm asleep in there, I can keep the you know, I can keep the windows open a slight bit and keep the air from the windows condensation up, and you know that, so the airflow in the car, that's what I was trying to say. Guys, something's cropped up, you know, so I'll go for my holiday in a few weeks time with the family, and I was hoping to come straight back, you know, as soon as I get back, do a bit of car off-grid in my car, go to some nice places, but something's cropped up, like I said before, that I can't really do it straight away. Right spanner in the works. So just, you know, something's cropped. Yeah, I can't quite put my finger on what it is. You know, don't know what it is. Oh my god, what is that? I've only just gone and bought a motorhome, ain't I? Sorry guys, but don't worry, the car camping's still gonna happen. Don't worry about that. It's still something I'm really planning on doing, but yeah, I couldn't wait. I'll see you guys on my adventure very soon. Cheers. Out.